In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix something when you are on Tinder. Let's get started. First close the app and then relaunch it. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Tinder and launch it. Click on offload app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Then what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're using VPN or proxy, disable it and try opening Tinder again, as it can sometimes cause connection issues. Next, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for Tinder. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check the server status of Tinder. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Tinder server status. Now head over to the official website, Down Detector. If you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.